So I'm going to take my boyfriend's dirty ass shoes. Look how dirty those things are. Yep, they are dirty. And I'm gonna do him a favor today. You're going to use one simple ingredient, and that is the original Dawn dish soap. My name is Michelle and I have been cleaning since 2005, which is a very, very long time, but I still love it. I've had a cleaning company for almost 10 years now, and every day I'm learning something new. In all of these tutorials, my goal is to help you and your cleaning days be more simple. So I'm going to continue to share with you what I've learned over the years and what I continue to learn. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial today. I don't know if you can see how dirty these are, but these are pretty darn dirty. I'm going to take these, soak them in one ingredient, scrub them throughout a couple hours, rinse them off with cold water, and then put them out in the sunshine to dry. So let's get to it. I hope you enjoy it. When I say a generous squirt of Dawn, I mean a 1 Mississippi count or just a couple good squeezes. After I fill the bucket with hot water and Dawn dish soap, I immediately give each shoe a very, very good scrub. The brush I am using literally looks and feels like a giant toothbrush. You could actually use a toothbrush if that is all you have. Let each shoe soak in the bucket for at least a half an hour before reattacking the scrubbing. Once the soaking and scrubbing process is complete, empty the buckets out and you will get to see what you scrubbed off at the bottom of the bucket. In this case, gross. My overall time for soaking these bad boys was about 3 hours. Rinse each shoe thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly, unless you want to be walking around town making bubbles. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze some more. Get all of that water out the best you can. You can either pull the inserts out or leave them in. I opted to obviously leave them in as these shoes were in desperate need of a good cleaning. Now for the final step, the easiest step. Put them in the sunshine to dry. One ingredient that I use a lot of, and it's safe, harmless, and does an awesome job, and it actually smells good, is Dawn dish soap. I use this in so many of my cleanings, so I will definitely have some more tips on what you can also use this for.